Hello, this is Bristol Packaging Specialist in China, a company specialized in producing kinds of stand-up pouches located in Qingdao, China. And in this episode, we are going to share about the drop test standard of spout pouch. As our company is producing many spout pouch packages for the customers around the world, from volume to 100 ml, 200 ml, 500 ml to 1 liter, 2 liters, 3 liters, and 5 liters, and even 10 liters. The maximum package we produce is 10 liter. And when the spout pouch is intended for the liquid products, it is very important to make sure we use a reliable and strong package, as if the package fall drops unexpectedly from the goods shelf, and if it breaks, that would be a great disaster for most of the consumers, most of the manufacturers of the consumer products. So before we produce the order of the spout pouch, we usually come into an agreement with our customers on the drop test standard, among which the drop height is the most important. And here we are going to talk about the standard for drop test performed in our factory, as the performance during the drop test is really concerned with many factors, and as we can see, we listed some main factors. This is the pouch strength is what we are going to test, and the drop height is the most important factor for our agreement with the customers. And the other factors also influence the performance of the drop test: the spout position, the volume ratio, and the environmental temperature, the ground conditions, drop method, and the temperature of inside contents. And we are going to introduce the standards on most of the most concerning points. The most important is the drop height, as our company is producing spout pouches with different volumes, and the maximum volume is 10 liter, and we are suggesting several different heights from 0.8 to 2 meters, as the stronger for the pouch strength and the higher for the price. So sometimes the customers may do not need a very strong package if his application is not requiring so great pouch strength. And we take the 3 liter spout package, for example, like this. This is the 3 liter package for windshield washer fluids. Usually we take the 1.6 meter or to 1.8 meter and perform the drop test for 3 times and to check the pouch strength. And also some customers may require 1.2 meter. So for most of the spout pouches, we perform test at 1.2 meter to 1.6 meter. That is enough for most of the packages for most of the applications. The environmental temperature really affects the performance, as the lower for the temperature, the plastic film, the plastic pouch will become more fragile. So our spout pouches can be able to be served in many areas around the word, that is the minus 15 degree or up to 40 degree, that is okay for our spout pouches. So you can perform the drop test at any temperature you prefer. Usually we perform the test in our manufacture plant with the environmental temperature. The ground conditions have to be smooth and clean, and this, if there is tiny sands, there is sharp points, sharp sands on the ground, that may cause unexpected destroy for the package during the drop test. Yeah, that is pretty important. And the temperature of inside contains, it is really the room temperature. Just we take the water, we fill the water into the spout pouch, and just perform the test. Yeah, especially in winter, we just use the chill water. Yeah, chill water. No, not warm water. Yeah. The drop method concerns with the vertical drop and the horizontal drop. As we can see, when this is vertical drop, to check the strength for the bottom. When a filled package dropped from the goods shelf, usually the bottom touches the ground first. As the bottom is larger, it holds more products than the top, so the bottom will touch the ground first. And for this is the horizontal drop, as this is going to test the welding of the spout with the dye pack. As for this part, it has to be further welded, and temperature and pressure that will cause this point is the weakest point of the package. Yeah. So we really perform horizontal and vertical drop test. And some customers may suggest you can perform the up and drop test. However, this is really not workable, as this is not practical. Yeah, this spout, if we perform the up and drop test, the spout will touch the ground first, and this will cause very serious destroy to the package. In practical life, when the standard pouch is filled with products, this top part is empty. Yeah, this top part is empty. So it never happens that the spout touches the ground when the package falls off from the goods shelf. So this is not practical. You can just discard this situation. And here we introduce the main factors of the drop test, and can talk about the standard. And we perform lots of drop tests in our manufacture plant. And here we are going to share with some of the drop tests for your reference. And if you have any ideas or further assistance, you may just reach us. Thanks.